So hi guys, this video is on how to install custom kernel in MIUI and OSP. So this custom kernel I'm going to flash is wild angle kernel. So this will be working in both OSP and MIUI. So I'm currently in MIUI SR Android 12. So download the kernel and keep it in your downloads folder. Now all you need to do is boot to twrp. Click on reboot and press the volume up button until you go to twrp. So the twrp has booted. Now go to wipe, advanced wipe, select Dalvik add cache, swipe to wipe. Now press the home button, go to install, select the wild angle kernel v9 stable version. Now just swipe to confirm. If the kernel you're flashing is not compatible with the Android version you're having, it will tell you that the kernel version is not compatible and the operation will be stopped. You don't need to be reflashing Magisk after flashing this kernel, as it says Magisk directed. Patching kernels or reflashing Magisk is not necessary. Now reboot system. Okay, so the ROM is booted. Swipe to unlock. Now go to settings to check if the kernel is flashed. Go to my device, click on all specs. As you can see, the kernel version is 4.19.235 wild angle, kernel stable v8. So that is all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe.